I'll be talking about Amazon listing. And now when I'm talking about an Amazon listing, I'm referring to really four parts, right? So I pulled out an example, of an Amazon listing for a play tray, a kid's travel tray. And I picked out this example specifically because I believe that their title, bullet points, and images in particular really stand out. So the four different parts of any Amazon listing are as follows. So number one is the title, which you can see here. I'll try to show the full title. So this is the full title. And as you're reading this, right, play tray kids travel tray with dry erase top for snacks and car activities for toddlers. It sounds kind of redundant and kind of weird, but this is actually an extremely powerful title, and I'll explain why in a later video. And this title essentially helps them get searched where other titles don't, right? Very simple, straight to the point titles don't work for Amazon well, and a lot of people don't actually pay attention to the titles. They buy based on the images. So this is actually a very powerful title, and I'll teach you how to create one specifically for your Amazon product, and there's a very specific formula to follow, which I will show you. All of this is very formulaic. It may seem very kind of random or very, intentional in some places, but overall, it's very, very formulaic. Okay, so we have the title as the first point. The second point are the images and occasionally video. So in this case, this listing also has a video, but in general, you will have 7 to 9 images showcasing your product in different ways. And I'll show you kind of how to get, high quality photos and video for your listing. What you should be taking photos and videos of, what order should they go in, what should my main photo be, all that I cover in a later video. So that's part 2. Part 3, down here are the bullet points. So the purpose of these bullet points is 1, to describe your product, and 2, ultimately, convince this prospect, right, who's kind of looking at maybe different products, convince them to buy your product over your competition. And again, there's a very specific process to this, which they're doing, beginning with a benefits-based statement and then supporting it with features. And I'll show you how to do that specifically for your listing. And then the fourth point is the description. And for this product in particular, so you have to kind of scroll down. Generally, the description section, I'll see if I can move myself a little bit out of the way. So now you can just see, let's see if I can move. There you go. You just see my eyes now. So here we have the description section. And in this case, this is a little bit different. It works for them since they are a trademarked product, but I'll show you how to create your personal description based on the infomercial script, which I'll share with you in a later video, to convince kind of those sellers that are looking for more information or need some more convincing to ultimately get them, number 1, to get your product found on the first page, and number 2, to get every prospect who visits your listing to buy your product over the competition. So I'm very, very excited about this. This is probably some of my favorite work that I do with kind of launching products on Amazon. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And it's going to be very, very powerful. This is going to help you get on the first page and really sell, a significant number of products every single month. So let's get into the next video. I look forward to it.